These are connectors for parallel and series. And we're going to be connecting these two panels together with two of these. Work with one negative, push in the clips, release. Grab the cables that match like for like and press together correctly and give a pull. Take the other end that goes to the negative and plug in. Get the other negative and plug in. Now that both your panels are hooked in, now they're 200 watt. You're going to then take your other lead, your main lead, and plug in. Your ground, your negative, is done. Work on your positive and plug in.
Yo, Ohio Fred, my buddy. Well done, got it hooked up, but I ran into a snafu. Not a problem. I got the connections downstairs, and I need to make my own. That I gotta tie this one and that one. I believe they got the connections. When I put those to a parallel connector, I got the ends now that can't connect to that one, but to this one. So I need to make some adapters my own way. And these are gonna run my YouTube and my plant light downstairs. Those two right now, running my living room, 200 watts. Give me double the power of 100 watts. How many watts is that charging a battery? I'm not sure right now, but that means I gotta go downstairs and swap out some batteries. Some are sold out. But that's my solar project for today. I wish I could help out a little bit more, say a little more, do a little more. But I am good to get on down and go on about doing other things for now. Time to go make up some cables.
All right, this is the positive. There's a P over there. This is the negative. There's an R4 over there. You can see a little positive on there and a little negative there. But how do you know that this is the one that goes in there and the one that goes in there? Well, I guess that's got the small hole. If it don't fit in there, then I know I got the right one. I love sitting on phones, man. The company made a mistake, right? So what they do? They sent me some wire, 25 foot. I wanted the additional wire on there. But I got this wire now. So I'm not going to cut this off, but I am going to start to strip down. Not that hard to strip down and make your connections, right? So you're going to take some measurements. You're going to go something like this. You're going to get a stripper. You're going to get all the leads off. Stick that bad boy in there. I can put some solder on it. And don't have to worry about a connection. Oh, don't crimp. I am going to go crimp. I'm just going to go crimp one side. Now I'm going to start to solder. Oh man, the other end's right here. All this tape. Gonna get nasty later. Got my ends made up. How you doing? Did you do a good job on yours? Did you take care of business on it? Let's go upstairs and complete our job. I need a pair of scissors, a pair of cutters. Light color tape is good, right? Orange tape. Magic marker. I don't think I need anything else. I like black tape. I'm getting 11, 12 watts charging. And the solar panel, it's not even on, and I'm 12.7 volts. I forgot the camera, and I'm going to go up and show you the other half of how I'm connecting.
Now, this one I don't care how it's connected, but the other one I do. I don't know how one could give voltage and wattage and nothing's on it. Maybe it is, and the other one's not connected. Hang on, I'm almost upstairs. So here I am, up on the roof, finishing up my connection. Let me get my phone out of my back pocket, and let me get my other cable. I love how that twist is there. And I know this is the negative. All I need to do is just slide it in. That's it, I'm connected. This is my other panel right here that I am hooking up downstairs. That light that showed no voltage. That's it, I'm done tying this up. I don't need to waterproof this, already waterproof. And now I'm just going to run my lead. I don't think I need any more than this. Grab my scissors, cut it out of the way. Let me see if I can snake this on the cable I ran here. I'll come and tie this all up later. What happened? Got hit by the other solar panel? Yeah, man, I just love twisted wires, man. So put a couple of twists in here, and then this is what I need to work with right here. Let me get my other glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. No need to rush this. This is my negative. This is the cable I'm working with. Work with live cables. Take your time. Don't touch anything. Get rid of the cable. You don't need to use it again. Strip back some of the cable. Take this cable. Strip it down about that much. It's off. Now I just gotta get rid of it. I'm good on that. And disconnect this lead, or just put it on there and wrap it around like so. Give it a good couple nice twists. Use tape. I'm all hooked up. Man, tape gets cold, sticks real quick when it's cold. Tape this bad boy up. And when I'm in the mood, I'll do a correct job. So I got power. Let's get on down. I'm done. Maybe my coffee's still hot. I can finish it off. Oh yeah, I'll tell you, man. I'll come up and I'll tidy this up on my own. But now I got two 200-watt panels. You better believe it. On this nice cloudy day, see what the wattage will look like. And I'm just about finishing charging, and I got look at my plant light, set it up tomorrow and see what it'll look like, how much power. I'll put another battery on it. It's only got a 7 amp hour, but that thing lasts all day, man, with the sun, all day. I got tied in my scooter onto one. I charge a power station on that one, and a plant light now on that one, and my YouTube studio, all on one. And the other one's dedicated to the living room and patio front lights. I can't read that, but can you see that? It says, what, 13.4 and the solar panels kicking in? Don't you know when things do good? Pepper flower in wintertime. Not one, not two. 4 of them. Look at that bad boy, man. And another one coming up. And another couple coming up. Oh, yeah. Don't get jealous, green pepper, red pepper. Don't get jealous. Normally I'm at 14.4 over there. And I'm not at 14.4. So at least I'm charging. I got my power. I know I got energy coming in at 200 watts
for everything. But why is my other power station off? Did it hit charge? Yeah, it's at 99%. It should have hit 100%. And it shows 1 watt. 3 watt, 4 watt, 5 watt. It reached this power consumption, man. So I did a nice job. Definitely indeed. I got 1 hour, 26 cell. 1 hour on it. I give up with these things. I really do. I had a good time sharing my fun to you, doing a little work upstairs, getting it done. Now I got to sit back. I got to relax. And I got to observe and see if I did a good job. And over time, we'll find out what the system did. Enjoy your off-the-grid fun, no matter what you do. At least I'm all prepared for the winter time on my project. Have a great day. I'm Fish. See you on the next one.